Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be having is pork loin breaded sandwiches. Now, I was going to got some little tenderloin and just cut it up myself. But this here is the bigger loin and they've cut it, they just calling it pork chops. Now, we're going to need pepper, some eggs, salt, a little bit of milk. And here's our crackers. That's what we'll be breading it with. I ground the crackers up. Now first off, what I'm going to do, we'll get these out and we'll get them a little bit thinner. I'll take the mallet and smash them down, make them a little bit thinner. Let's get started. Alrighty, all we're going to do, I took a piece of, well, this is actually a plastic bag. Put that over top. Smash it down a little bit thinner. Alrighty, they'll cook a little bit quicker and trust me, it's good. Alrighty folks, we put 2 eggs in here and just a little bit of milk. We're just making an egg wash. Put in a little bit of salt. I'm going to put in just a little bit of pepper. That's a little bit, that ain't a lot. Mix it up here real good. And then over here is the loins that we pounded there. Alright, now got ready to get started. Alrighty, just dip it down in your egg wash there, drain it off a little bit, and put it over here in your crumbs. Alrighty, here's a couple of them right here, folks. We'll get the rest of them cooked up and show you. Alrighty, folks, there we've got it. Now, put on there whatever you want. Some people put mayonnaise. My personal favorite, I like to put pickles and mustard on there. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you soon.